Welcome to English Learning from Scratch, Countries Part 2. Today we learn 6 important countries: France, Germany, Italy, Spain, Japan, and Korea. These countries have unique names and official titles we pronounce correctly in English. France and Germany. France is in Western Europe with famous Eiffel Tower. Germany is in Central Europe, known for cars and engineering. Both are important European countries with rich history. Italy and Spain. Italy is famous for pizza, pasta, and Rome City. Spain has flamenco dance and bullfighting tradition. Both countries are in southern Europe with Mediterranean climate. Japan and Korea. Japan is island country famous for sushi and technology. Korea is peninsula nation known for kimchi and K-pop music. Both are East Asian countries with modern cities. France's official name is Republic of France. Republic means government by elected representatives, not king or queen. France became republic after revolution against monarchy. This is complete official name used in international meetings. Germany official name is Federal Republic of Germany. Federal means power divided between national government and state governments. Germany has 16 states called Länder. Each state has own government but follows national laws. Italy official name is Republic of Italy. Italy became republic in 1946 after World War II. Before this, Italy had king. Now president elected by parliament leads republic government. Spain official name is Kingdom of Spain. Kingdom means ruled by king or queen, but modern Spain is constitutional monarchy. King is head of state, but real power belongs to elected parliament called Cortes. Japan official name is simply Japan. Japan has emperor as ceremonial head of state, but prime minister leads government. Emperor is symbol of nation, but has no political power. Japan government is parliamentary democracy. Korea official name is Republic of Korea. This refers to South Korea. Republic of Korea, established in 1948 after Korea division. President elected by people leads democratic government.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.